How to clean up uploaded images in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. If the image you uploaded to Cricut Design Space is fuzzy and bumpy, first click on the Upload tool to re-upload the image. Step 2. Drag and drop the design, then select Complex for the image type and click Continue. Step 3. Zoom in to check the lines, then click on Remove Background. Step 4. Click on Preview Cut Image and check if the lines are smooth. Step 5. If the lines aren't smooth, click back, select Complex again as the image type and click Continue. Step 6. Click on Select under Manual, then click on More Options drop-down. Step 7. Click on the Reduced Colors drop-down and select 2. Step 8. Then click on the few areas in the design to delete them. Step 9. Click on Preview Cut Image, then zoom in and check how the lines look. Step 10. If you're not happy with the smoothness of the lines, increase the color tolerance. Step 11. Then go ahead and click on the areas to delete. Step 12. Once done, click on Preview Cut Image to check the lines, then click on the Undo button if you're still not satisfied. Step 13. Increase the color tolerance, then click on a few areas to remove. Step 14. Click on Preview Cut Image again and check how the lines look. Step 15. If you're happy with the smoothness of the lines, click on the areas on the design you want to delete, then click on Preview Cut Image. Step 16. Click on Apply and Continue, select the upload type, then click Upload. Step 17. Next, select the uploaded image and click on Add to Canvas. Step 18. Your design is ready to cut. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.